the 52-week Coleman challenge. It's week 35, and this week's challenge is fruit. It's apple season here in New England, and today we're going to make waffles with fried apple topping. Quick shot of oil. This is just olive oil today. And some apples. Oops. Some apples. Really what we're trying to do is kind of steam them. So we'll fry a little bit first. That'll give us some caramelization. We'll start to release some of the natural sugars. These are pretty sweet apples already. I don't think we're going to add any sugar. We might. See how things go. Let fire pretty low. And then after they've fried and caramelized a little bit, we'll add a little bit of water, which will make the sauce. The smell is lovely of cooking apples. I've been heating the waffle iron a little bit in the secondary burner, and now we'll switch them up. Turn the heat right down on the secondary burner with the apples in it. Get the apples sort of evenly distributed across the bottom of the pan. For this last phase, what we're really looking to do is get soft apples with sort of evenly sugary taste. So we're going to add a little bit of water. The water will make a little bit of steam and help the apples soften up. And a little bit of sugar. This is probably a tablespoon, which is probably too much. I'll only use about half, maybe half a teaspoon there of sugar. Give it a stir around. I don't want it to be too sweet. Some people, if you had little kids, if you were making this for little kids, you'd probably want it real sweet, but it's all adults in this house. And then we just let that sort of soak. Over here, we're looking for a good hot waffle iron. And the gloves are for a reason. My waffle iron, this is a cheap waffle iron. This is from Amazon. It's a new manufacturer. It's got metal handles. Makes it a little hard to use. What I should probably do is cut the metal handles off and make wooden ones. This is an 1/8 cupper. And I see I've left my mix a little bit too long. But we'll see what happens. Turn that over. Alright, how do we do? Not bad, really. Stuck to half of the iron, but we have got stock. Looks more like a waffle. That's what you're looking for. Oh, swollen. And that's a perfect waffly look. Now that's a nice waffle with fried apples. My cheap waffle iron doesn't do anywhere near as good a job as a real antique would, but I think with practice I could produce a consistently acceptable waffle. Anyway, that's week 35 down. We'll see you next week.